If you have low back pain or work with clients that have low back pain, you need to listen up because this might change your life. If you've been told that micro movements between your vertebrae are causing your low back pain, here's why it might not be a very strong theory. Now, micro movements are described as little tiny movements between vertebrae that over time can cause quote unquote wear and tear and actually need small spinal stabilizers to give you that stability to keep that spine still. Now, I understand that sounds all great. It's really cool to have an answer to why symptoms are happening, but we want the right answers and not just an answer. Now, if little small micro movements are what causing your low back pain, then there probably would never be anybody that can get to the point where they're deadlifting 5 times their body weight because their spine would just disintegrate at that point. Same thing with people that do parkour. They'd never be able to jump off a 2-story building, land on their feet, tuck and roll without their spine exploding, right? Because if little micro movements are causing these symptoms, what would these big macro movements do? So you need to understand that these words can sometimes be harmful for yourself and for the people that you're working with. Because if they believe that little micro movements are causing their issues, then they think they need stability and need to keep the spine still all the time. And we know what we call that? Stiffness. So make sure that if you're working with someone with low back pain or you yourself have it, you need to throw out from your brain that you think that micro movements are causing those issues and find a better solution.